What is it that enables some leaders to survive and overcome when crisis, fear, and failure hits? At Masterminds Leadership, our mission is to build bridges between people, purpose, and performance through inspired leadership. And our vision is to see leadership transformation in the companies we serve evidenced by people who love their work and leaders who lift their people. Our mission and vision are supported by 3 core values that define us. The first of those is the pillar of embracing risk. Risk means we lean into problems rather than avoiding them. It means we act with courage in the face of threats, and we believe that the impossible can happen. The second pillar is expecting results. It means that we resist negativity and small-mindedness, actively looking for the best in others and situations. We expect positive results to follow from our actions, and we clear away obstacles so we can see further and set higher goals. The third pillar is pursuing relationships. We believe the best work relationships are built on genuinely caring for other people as human beings, not human resources. And so we're quick to forgive and we stay open. These 3 pillars, the values of risks, results, and relationships, have held up the bridge over my own experience of failure and loss. The value of risk, embracing risk, at its heart is the action of faith. The value of expecting results is the action of hope. And the value of pursuing relationships is the value of love. Many of my clients know that I'm an ordained minister and that my first 2 degrees are in theology. Before I was president of a university, I was a missionary. When I entered the marketplace to work with business leaders here in DFW, I felt this urge to reconcile different parts of my life and make sense of what I had experienced. And so I was looking for the bridge that would connect the different parts of my story and who I was. My work is to walk alongside CEOs and help them to construct bridges to achieve and get results through people. When you take purposeful action to connect your personal or spiritual values and your business values, you become an integrated person, leading a unified life. This year, I invite you to decisively set your own leadership course with renewed clarity around what matters most.